up the set of 4 of the Genina waterproof chair covers. What a difference. My chair is raggedy and old and wanted to spruce it up. This is color cream. There is a pretty pattern in it. It is waterproof, going to protect from spills and everyday messes. The stretch fit perfectly. That's the chair, and fit perfectly. There's the bottom of it. Very, very nice. Took me about 2 seconds. It is a stretchy fit. You do need to put it on, but took literally 2 seconds. And I like that you can just take this off, throw it in the washer, and you're good to go. Not complicated at all. This is gonna work great with my pets, my kids. They spill, they make messes. And it gives this old chair a nice different look. Highly recommend. I like that it's washable. Let me mention that one more time. The Genina waterproof chair covers in color cream. Highly recommend. This review is sponsored by the brand.